Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Engineer the Data. If you're preparing for a data engineer or ETL developer interview, then Apache Airflow is almost guaranteed to come up. In today's video, we'll go through the top 10 Apache Airflow interview questions and answers for 2025, explained simply and clearly so you can sound confident in your next interview. Let's get started. Question 1: What is Apache Airflow? Apache Airflow is an open-source workflow orchestration platform. It helps you schedule, monitor, and manage data pipelines. Basically, it tells your ETL jobs what to run, when to run, and in what order. Instead of writing a bunch of cron jobs, you define your workflow in Python as a DAG, directed acyclic graph, which clearly shows task dependencies and execution flow. So, a simple answer: Airflow automates, monitors, and manages data pipelines using Python-based DAGs. Gear Question 2: What is a DAG in Airflow? A DAG, or directed acyclic graph, is the backbone of Airflow. It's a collection of tasks with defined dependencies. Directed means it flows in one direction, and acyclic means no loops. A task can't depend on itself. Example: extract right-pointing arrow, transform right-pointing arrow load. Each step depends on the previous one. That's a DAG. You define DAGs in Python, which makes them dynamic and version controlled. Question 3: What are operators in Airflow? Operators are templates for what your tasks do. They tell Airflow how to execute something. There are several types: Python operator, runs Python code; bash operator, runs shell scripts; email operator, sends emails; dummy operator, for placeholders or testing; BigQuery operator, snowflake operator, for cloud data tasks. Each task in your DAG is actually an instance of an operator. Question 4: How does Airflow schedule tasks? Airflow schedules tasks using the scheduler component. It reads all active DAGs, checks their schedule intervals, and determines what tasks need to run next. You define the timing using cron expressions or presets like at daily, at hourly, at weekly. The executor then decides how tasks are run, locally, in Celery workers, Kubernetes pods, or other environments. Question 5: Explain Airflow architecture. Airflow has 4 main components. Scheduler schedules jobs and triggers tasks. Executor runs the tasks, like Celery, Kubernetes, or local. Web server provides the UI to monitor and manage DAGs. Metadata database stores DAG runs, task states, and configurations. Together, they create a complete orchestration ecosystem for managing complex workflows. Question 6: What are sensors in Airflow? Sensors are special operators that wait for a condition to be true before continuing. For example, file sensor waits for a file to arrive. External task sensor waits for another DAG to finish. Time sensor waits until a specific time. They help you build event-driven or dependency-aware workflows. Question 7: How do you handle task dependencies? In Airflow, you define task dependencies directly in Python using task1 and GT. In GT, task2 or task2.set_upstream, task1. This tells Airflow that task2 depends on task1. You can also use parallelism and branching to manage complex workflows with multiple paths. Question 8: How do you manage variables and connections? Airflow provides variables and connections to store environment-specific data securely. Variables store key-value pairs, such as file paths or configuration settings. Connections store credentials for databases, APIs, or cloud services. You can set these through the Airflow UI, CLI, or environment variables. This makes your DAGs dynamic and reusable across environments. Question 9. What are XCOMs in Airflow? XCOM stands for cross-communication. It's how tasks share small pieces of data with each other. For example, one task extracts a file name, and another uses it. That's done via XCOM. You can push and pull values. XCOM_push, key equals, file_name, value equals, data_2025.csv, and XCOM_pull, key equals, file_name. But remember, XCOMs are for small data only, not large files. Question 10. What are some best practices for using Airflow? Here are the key best practices. Keep tasks small and focused, one clear purpose per task. Avoid writing heavy logic directly in DAGs, call external scripts instead. Always version control your DAGs in Git. Use catch-up equals false if you don't want historical runs to execute. Add alerts and logging for failure monitoring. These practices make your pipelines robust, maintainable, and production-ready. You now know the top 10 Apache Airflow interview questions and answers that every data engineer should master in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more data engineering tutorials, and let me know in the comments which tool you'd like me to cover next, maybe BigQuery, Snowflake, or Kafka. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.